everyone, welcome to my channel. So once again I am being accused of getting some work on my face done. However, this is not so at all, guys. I have never done anything to my face, and if I did, I would come and share it with you, since when it comes on to skincare, I am revealing anyway. So guess what, guys, for those of you who think I have something done, and for those of you who are just looking to have your skin looking amazing so people could think that you have something done, I'm gonna show you what I use, some of the things that I use on my skin to keep my skin tight, firm, glowing, younger, fresher looking, and just radiant. So what you do, you get your popcorn and sit with me for a couple of minutes and I show you the recipe. I will also show you how to use this on your skin to look amazing. Okay, let's get in the kitchen. Now take a look at our first ingredient, and this is oatmeal, blended oatmeal, blend to a powder. And oatmeal will help to tighten and firm the skin. Oatmeal will also help to shrink large pores. If you have oily skin, oatmeal will help to absorb the excess oil on the skin, and it will just have your skin looking lifted and younger looking. Take a look at our next ingredient, and this is ground coffee. Ground coffee have antioxidant properties that will help to smooth the wrinkles on the skin. When mixed with the oatmeal, it will help to tighten and firm the skin. It will also help to clear the skin of blackheads and whiteheads, and it will also help to get rid of spots and blemishes on the skin. Now take a look at our next ingredient, which we are using for its vitamin C properties. It will help to lighten and brighten the skin, and it will also help to clear the skin of dark spots and blemishes. And now take a look at the next ingredient, which is egg, and this is also going to help to tighten and firm the skin, and it will have your skin just lifted, looking amazing when mixed with the other ingredient. So the first thing we're going to do, we are going to extract the egg white from the egg yolk. So we're just going to crack the egg. And this is what we're going to do. Now this is the egg white. We're going to put it aside, and this is what we're going to be using, the egg yolk. So we're going to drop it in. I'm going to get rid of the seeds from our lemon. Whoops. And we're just going to squeeze some lemon juice in. About a teaspoon of lemon juice. Squeeze it in the egg yolk. And we're going to whisk this. That's ready. We're going to put this aside. Now for our coffee, what we're going to do, we are going to brew the coffee. To brew the coffee is pretty easy. You can brew your coffee in a coffee maker, or you can just pour some hot water on the coffee. A tablespoon of the ground coffee. About a quarter cup of hot water. Pour it on the coffee. We're going to set this aside for a couple of minutes to brew. And then, once it is brewed, I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of the coffee. We're going to keep blending. Next, we're reaching for our oatmeal. We're going to start with 2 tablespoons of the oatmeal powder. We're going to whisk it in. blending this in. Now if it's not thick enough like this is, you may need to add a little bit more oatmeal, which I'm gonna do. So I'm adding another, just pour all of this in, so about 3 tablespoons of the oatmeal. We're just gonna mix it in, and this is perfect. This is exactly how we want it to look. And now your anti-aging facial mask is ready. Now store this in your refrigerator for no more than 3 days and use it 2 to 3 times a week. It's nice to use this cooled, so set it in the refrigerator just before you use it for about an hour. Now take a look at what our mask looked like after we had set it aside. It's gonna come very, very thick and gluey, and this is exactly how you want it to be. So you're gonna make sure to give it a stir. Just stir it. And then you are going to apply it to your face. So you want to be generous with it. And I'm just going to use my hands as a demonstration. So you take a little bit, you put it on your face like this, and you just rub it all over your face in a very, very thick layer like I'm showing here. Very, very thick layer, just like that, all over your face. Now once this is done, you're gonna let this dry on the face. So you're gonna sit with it for about 30 minutes. Now after 30 minutes, what you're gonna do, you are gonna rinse off. The mask is gonna dry on the skin, and you're gonna feel a tightening sensation on your skin. Not to worry, that is the mask tightening the skin and firming the skin. So wear it for 30 minutes. If you have more time, go ahead and wear it for a little longer, and then you're going to rinse off, preferably with some warm water to start with, and then you're going to second rinse with some cold water. Now once you rinse off, you're going to pat dry the skin. You're then going to add your favorite serum or your favorite moisturizer to the skin, and you're going to reveal clean, clear, bright, tight, firm, radiant, glowing skin. So you want to use this treatment at least 2 to 3 times per week when you're just starting out. After a while, you could cut it down to 2 times per week for best result. Store this in the refrigerator no more than up to 3 days. Okay, we have eggs in this and we don't want to keep it much longer. All right, use it, come back and let me know how well you like it.